If you want to know what's cooking on this week's elementary food menu, then we've got you covered. Let's get started. On Monday for breakfast we'll have sliced banana bread, fruit, juice, or milk, and for lunch we'll have popcorn chicken bites, a cheese breadstick, seasoned potato wedges, green peas, fruit, and milk. On Tuesday for breakfast we'll have a mini bagel with sausage and cheese, fruit, and milk, and for lunch we'll have a breaded chicken drumstick, macaroni and cheese, broccoli florets, orange glazed carrots, fruit, and milk. On Wednesday for breakfast we'll have beef tamales, fruit, juice, or milk, and for lunch we'll have a hamburger or cheeseburger, burger salad, potato crinkle cut fries, fruit, and milk. On Thursday for breakfast we'll have confetti pancakes, fruit, and milk, and for lunch we'll have crispy beef tacos, Spanish rice, seasoned pinto beans, lettuce and tomato salad, fruit, and milk. On Friday for breakfast we'll have mini French chocolate toast, fruit, juice, or milk, and for lunch we'll have sliced pepperoni or cheese pizza, romaine and diced tomato salad, mixed vegetables, fruit, and milk. Thank you for tuning in this week, elementary school students and parents. If you want to stay updated with these weekly elementary school food menus, then follow us on all of our social media platforms at Edinburgh CISD.